Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 ways to say scared. Number 1, scared stiff. It means frozen in place by extreme fear, unable to move. Example, when the ghost appeared, she was scared stiff and couldn't scream. Number 2, jump out of your skin. It means to be suddenly and intensely startled. Example, the loud bang made him jump out of his skin. Number 3, get cold feet. It means to suddenly become too nervous to do something planned. Example, he got cold feet right before the speech and stayed quiet. Number 4, heart in your mouth. It means feeling intense anxiety or dread. Example, watching the climber slip, my heart was in my mouth. Number 5, blood runs cold. It means to feel a sudden chill of horror or fear. Example, hearing footsteps behind her at night, her blood ran cold. Number 6, shake like a leaf. It means to tremble uncontrollably from fright. Example, the child shook like a leaf during the thunderstorm. Number 7, chicken out. It means to back out of something due to fear. Example, they planned to prank the boss but chickened out at the last minute. Number 8, afraid of your own shadow. It means extremely timid or easily frightened. Example, after the scary movie, the kid was afraid of his own shadow. Number 9, frighten the life out of. It means to scare someone very badly. Example, the spider frightened the life out of her. Number 10, scared out of your wits. It means utterly panicked or terrified. Example, the roller coaster ride scared her out of her wits. Wow, friends, did those fear idioms give you cold feet or make you shake like a leaf? Pick one to use today. Smash like if you learned something, subscribe for daily idiom fun with me. Catch you next time.